megalayapost.news.
Katnat Corporation jong ka Sarkar Meghalaya mentagasni kalapelong ya ka program pli pajba ya ka Cooperative Week arajar atnreu ha Prime Hub Umdihar Riboy District ha kebalawan ben pli pajba dau Menteri Katnat Corporation ka Sarkar Jela uba Methodius Dekar kum Ukongsan. Kajing rakhe ya kane ka Cooperative Week kade sibenta ban penklan ya kajing don menta jong ki Cooperative Society ha kaba ya dei ban kentiu ya kayo ka kot bat kajing penro ya ka kam sakri pajba lengba gar kom trekam jong ka Cooperative ha kane ka singin nalor ba Menteri Katnat Corporation lawan ban isim mentalang bat UMLA ka nongpo uba Meral Bonds UMLA ka Sning u Dr. Stiling do urang ba snong Umdihar uba Romeling do rangkar kajing don lang ki he Sarkar naka jilla bat naka district lembat kinong mikmat naka Cooperative Society per hakane ka program la pelat baru ya ka e-newsletter bat RCS office portal jong Katnat banunra ekor kom trekam ka Bakham State ka basay bat ka bayde ya ka jugmenta hakane ka sngi lapun ku bromru ya ki Cooperative Society ki blahe bha ha ka kam jong ki nalor ka jing pelong ya ka health camp bat ka jing jurip ya ki stall jong ki Cooperative Society ki besim menta hakane ka program
IBCS. Mr. Yantan and Dr. Puja Pandey who are here. I must place on record my sincere thanks to the department as well as other agencies who continue to support this IBCS, in which I have witnessed by my own eyes their hard work, dedication towards the cause, how to uplift the cooperative society and to ensure that they will earn their livelihood out of the activities that they are engaged within their daily life. Kajing tre shitom jong kine ki cooperative society pio yoso. Ikan mau hakisnem ki bakhaban shwa hakisnem kan kendai spa kendai pu ar kendai pulai kendai pusau kadon kajing persyang na kabanta kuno ban pentikna agi tu gibor bagi society giban form apa ka Sarkar Jela kin yen le jon kijan kidon ki society ki belaya kawe society ngakan mau di por khaban shwa de supo West Giant Hills supo sangpung sete ran kawe ka belaya ha sakpat agi kam activities ban ya ban kamai ban kaji ban komta kiladon kiwi society bela persang ban seng ha katu kopor kidon ki badang dan kidon ki bela du kidon bela pat masteng kidon ki bela omis tu jemut bat kunta tata dengan sukumen bamene ka we ni society wala kam slam ka bakat kum ke tip ke jonga ka nom tulu cooperative society ka bela kam slam ba guri na ka snong pangangan don na somden kadang don mene dang pendon burung gilayo kawan kabapen ya gani gejing la kajung ki ban beteng ya kakam sustainability kapada kam haban beteng ya kakam bat kumbala ban sutu uru dagane ke kerteng cooperative society lembaga cooperation department dangin kelai ke cooperation kamu dike gejing teli jeung we na pedeng jumpi society gidan giba ar pungut gidan giba san pungut gidan giba ar spangut gidan giba de entah kita khat gidan tang gitu ki cooperative society giba yatli giba treshitom giba pelejemut kila ban yen ni jom ki kejan bat ni sahi menaga singir gede naga pata jompi giba la triba.
One of the examples that everyone mentions about the success story of cooperative movement. What strikes my mind during the visit was every family in the district of Anand they always have cattle for milking. Buffaloes, cows, these are the two main ones. Every cattle is registered and have a tagging. Number is given. Whenever the cattle get sick, from the headquarter of Amul, they can exactly identify which animal, where is the location, and what is the sickness whenever there is a complaint. And every milk production that the farmers produce is being collected 2 times in a day. And that collection process is also made very, very simple. Every time they deposit their milk, they use an app. Those who come and collect, they feed in the identification number of the farmer, input how many liters, and that goes to the system in the headquarter of Amul. And every 2 days, they get paid. So that is the example which is seen throughout India. Now when it comes to our side here, we have a long way to go. But I don't doubt, we have given so many awards today for the performing societies, cooperative societies. In the years to come, I have no doubt that the cooperative societies within Ribhoy, other districts of the state, and the whole state, this will be a movement. But the basic principle of every cooperative movement, other than the paperwork, the cooperation, I feel there has to be transparency. No cooperative society can survive unless they maintain 100% transparency with the accounting and the activities of the cooperative societies. Now when we talk of the Cooperative Week, right from the British time, as our Commissioner Secretary has already mentioned earlier, from the era of the British, they have started in 1904 with the Cooperative Credit Societies Act. Long before our independence. Then in 1912, the Cooperative Societies Act was refined and retuned.
Habang isyam bakod ng istangya kan Cooperation Department. Mensua kumbay ong in Dr. Celestine Mane bat kumbong in MLA na po nong po Mane. Bakan Cooperation Department kadon lang bat kuwi ke department kamdon nila kajong ka ministry. Kendrai kenakali jo ka sarkar India, the government of India feel the need that the Cooperation Department need to have its own ministry. So it was established only in 2021, and at present there are lots of initiatives that's being taken by the department. Many times we have been called to Delhi to participate in many of the programs and the initiatives taken by the ministry. And from the state government, we are being asked to formulate and to form the policy for the department, and the draft policy is still under progress. We are almost on the verge of completion, and in this next coming 1 or 2 months, I believe we will be able to place that to the cabinet for the approval for the policy of the Cooperation Department for the state of Meghalaya. Pada kini kipor ki baladam nagaliang jong Cooperation Department, and why did the government of India start its own ministry? What is the objective of the central government? The central government looked at the cooperative society, at the VCS, at the CLF as the vehicle for self-reliant India. Lani kabangi onga kitin kasi kata kidi kisalentem na benta banwanra ya karoy kapar ya kari India hi barok kawai. Bar kabak kampong san kabangi ong kisalentem kata kumut ba kisalentem lani kita ki kenjah kali kipala banwanra ya karoy kapar siya barok kamtame ya kinong gendong kinong kendong lani pai ba nong sonong jungi ki ba im sha kinong kendong ki prepare kumene ki ba ni ko kasken ba kidon le se ko kadon kata kachinge aba ni stangye kini ki society lani aba ni don ki sinong ki prepare kita ki rural villages apa Meghalaya Henry nak kalian jo central government but corporation department but nak kalian jo government jo Meghalaya ro mentang ni don kaching anglot but ni don kaching yoi ba kini ki cooperative society but kini ki self help group but kini ki CLF but kiwi cooperation kinla ban yaram ban penio ya kicing mentoi ki ba hop ya kinong song sunang sa ki chaka ki prepare
Meghalaya Post.news